Good morning, students. 5 Oak, class 5 Oak, very good morning. Okay, so students, very good morning. Get ready. This is your English class, English text class. Okay. Good morning. Who is saying good morning? Nandita. No, it's not Nandita. Oh yes, Shivam. Shivam is here. Very good morning, Shivam. Then Nandita. Yes. So students, can you hear me properly? At first tell me that. Can you hear me properly? Archishman, very good morning. Okay. So, students, now tell me, in the last class, which chapter we were doing? Tell me the name of the chapter and what we did. Tell me. Tell me in the previous class what we did. No, I am talking about marigold. In the previous class, we did marigold. English text. Now tell me the name of the chapter. The name of the chapter is, yes, tell me. Yes, very good morning. Tell me, tell me. Topsy-turvy land. Very good, very good. Shivam, yes, and Archishman also. Topsy-turvy land, we already completed the poem, we discussed the poem. So, today we will do the exercise of this poem, isn't it? Exercise part is not done, right, students? So, now students, today I want to clear about the syllabus of PT2. Get ready. For PT2, only for PT2 I am telling the syllabus, I am informing the syllabus. Marigold book, Talkative Barber, Topsy-turvy land. Marigold book, from Marigold book, Talkative Barber and Topsy-turvy land. Okay. And from grammar, articles, verbs, words that may be confused, right? Yes, I know, I already informed you all. Still, if somebody missed that class or missed that video, that's why I repeat. Marigold, Talkative Barber, Topsy-turvy land, grammar, articles, verb, words that may often be confused, right, student? So, now we can start our chapter. So, open page number 112. 112. Get ready. Topsy-turvy land. Today we will do the question answer. So, get ready. Number 1. When do children go to school in topsy-turvy land? When do children go to school in topsy-turvy land? So, write in topsy-turvy land, children go. Let me see the board is clear or not. children go to school by night. Number 2, in the poem, if buses travel on the sea, then where do the boats travel? In the poem, buses travel on the sea and boats travel on the street, right. Now, the next part, how should it rightly be? The buses should travel on the street and boats should travel on the sea, right. Ma'am, I cannot see the upper portion of the black. Ma'am, I cannot see the upper portion of the black. Okay. Okay. Say the syllabus. Shivam. Okay. Articles, verbs, words that may often be confused. Shivam. And okay, you cannot see the board, upper portion of the board. From here you can see in topsy-turvy land. No. Now you can see, yes. I think now it is clear, isn't it, students? Clear, student? Students, in the previous class, I told you from Talkative Barber, page number 105. From page number 105, we already wrote how many brothers did the barber have. I also uploaded a video of that. How many brothers did the barber have? Why was the Sultan in a hurry? Why did barber take so long to shave the Sultan? Right, true or false? Okay, then why did the barber want a lot of food? Already these question answers are done. Students, don't share the screen. But from page number 106 and 107, page number 106 and 107, I told you that these two pages we will do later. And let's do the poem first. Do you remember that? Students, do you remember? Already I uploaded the video of question answers of Talkative Barber, but don't worry, I will repeat the question answers, okay? So don't worry. Now complete today's question answer, okay? Who is here? Debopriyo, switch off, Debopriyo. Okay. So students, write first Then I will repeat the question answers of Berber, talkative Berber, right? Okay. Number 3. The topsy-turvy land is very different from our land. Let's draw a comparison by filling in sentences wherever needed. So, I am writing here topsy-turvy land. This is our land. Okay. First, number 1 it is given here. So, we will write here only. People walk on their heads, and here people walk on their feet. Number 2, the buses run on land. Run on sea. Okay. Number 3, students, I think you can see the board. Number 3, they wear their hats on feet. They wear their hats on head. Okay. Number 4, boats sail in the sea. Here boats sail on the street. On the street. Number 5, people pay for what they don't get. People pay for what they don't get. In our land, people pay for what they get. Sorry. So, students, now write. Ma'am, I do not able to write question answers of topsy-turvy land. Why, Aditya? Pratyusha, ma'am, I do not able to write question answers. Why, Pratyusha? Shomili, you cannot see the board. Shomili, what happened? And then Pratyusha, what happened? What is your problem? Tell me. Pratyusha and Shomili, this video, sure it will be uploaded. But why? Okay, Shivam, very good. Aditya, what happened? Archisman, yes. Now you can see. Pratyusha, you cannot see. Better disconnect and rejoin. And Chandralekha also. But Swastika, you completed. Pratyusha, okay. So, this video will be uploaded, don't worry. Now, students, can I rub the board? Can I? Oh, Abhik, you are writing very good. Very good, Abhik. Because I was not present in the class from the... It's okay, Shomili. It's okay. You will get this video from YouTube. Okay? Don't worry. So, write. Can I rub? Question number 1, students. Pratyusha, you also? It's okay. but from next day you should attend your class at right time. Okay. Now, so question answers from topsy-turvy land completed. Students, now I will move to talkative barber. Talkative barber, I am writing again. Talkative barber. Write very fast. Talkative barber. Number 1. How many brothers did the barber have? I already wrote it. The barber had how many brothers? The barber had 6 brothers. Why was the Sultan in a hurry? The Sultan had an affair of greatest importance. That day. So, he was in a hurry. Okay. So, can I rub number 2? Students, can I rub number 2? Whose microphone is on? Switch off your microphone, students. Okay. Now, number 3. Why did the barber take so long to shave the Sultan? The barber was a great chatterer. That means he talks too much. Great chatterer. He could not, yes, tell me, he could not stop talking. So, he took so long to shave the Sultan. Okay. He was busy talking on irrelevant. He was busy talking on irrelevant topics instead of doing his work. Instead of doing his job. Irrelevant. Irrelevant means that is not necessary. Okay? That is not necessary. Understood? Irrelevant? Irrelevant. Spelling mistake is there. I-double-R-E. Okay? Irrelevant. Irrelevant means that is not necessary, that is not connected with the job. That means that has nothing to do with his job. Irrelevant topic, unnecessary topic. Okay. So, students, yes, then number 4, true false, number 1 false, number 2 false, number 3 true, number 4 false. Okay. Now write. The barber was shaving the Sultan's beard, false. The Sultan gave him 3 gold coins, false. The barber refused to leave the Sultan's palace, true. There were 7 brothers altogether in the Sultan's family, false. Okay. So, now I can move to number 5. Now, number 5. Why did the barber want a lot of food? The barber invited invited 4 or 5 friends, na? Yes. To come to his house that day. So, he wanted a lot of food. Now write. Three things are showing. Now you can see. I think no. Now can you see the board? Can you see the board? I don't think so. Oh yes. So students, are you writing? 3 videos are going. What is going on? I know. Listen students, the time is over, okay. So, ma'am, somebody is using together mode and large gallery mode is there. Oof. So, students, today up to this video will be uploaded, okay. So, don't worry. Till then, bye. Okay, bye students. But in 3 videos you are there. What is this? I don't know. Okay. Okay. Bye students. Bye bye. Bye. Bye bye.